Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is that electric fly swatter that they sell that isn't worth a crap if you try to swat something and shock it. But here's my idea, and I did this last year. You tape the switch shut over there with a piece of packaging tape. Takes 2 double A's. You put the double A's in, a piece of pork roll on a paper plate, and a little chicken bouillon in there to give it some flavor. And boom, I got a whole shitload of flies in about 2 hours that are outside bothering us every time we go out to the car. And most of them are dead. You can hear them popping once in a while. I'll see if I can rattle it up. But here are the flies. So anyway, that's my exciting thing to do today. Again, the electric fly swatter, and the only way you can ever really use it to its full effectiveness.